This video is about the third line of Ode to Joy, and it is for Dominic. So we're going to look at the third line. Here your hands are skip 2. You're doing a good job on the right hand. But we're going to be able to put our left hand together with that. So in the first measure of the third line, it says, but the left hand has to get played too. The left hand's played with the first note of the measure. And then you get to the second measure, the left hand's played again. And the third measure, the left hand's played again. And I would try it one measure at a time, and we're going to do that right now. So we're going to call them the measure third line, measure 1, measure 2, measure 3, and measure 4. So we're going to work on measure 1 first. And just again, that number 1 of the left hand goes with that first note. You try it. So you have your skip 2. That's it, so you're going to try it. So we're going to do that first measure again. Now we're on the second measure. And again, the 2 and the 1 go together. So from the first measure to the second measure. And looking just at the second measure. And you get to the third measure. So you should try that. Try the first measure and try the second measure. And then you're on the third measure. And again, your 2 goes with the number 1. Now we're on the very last measure. Middle C, D, and then your number 1 plays all by itself. Left hand. So one more time. Oh, I'm sorry. For the first measure in the third line. The second measure. The third measure, and the fourth measure. And now all together. So you want to try that. I'm going to show you what it sounds like. So you try it. And I will see you next week, and we'll see how you're doing. Remember to read your left hand and your right hand together. And go back and watch the first video. That'll show you more of the whole song. Bye-bye. I'll see you next week. Let's see. Bye.